Hello and namaskaram. Welcome to another video recipe for Fine Dining Indian channel. Hope you are sticking around with us and subscribing and watching all our other videos. So this video we're going to show you how to make a Kathi roll. Kathi roll, I recently traveled to Mumbai and Kolkata. I tried a lot of Kathi rolls there. So the main thing is you make a thin chapati, a thin bread, and then it's rolled in an omelette and then pan fried, so it makes it soft, and then amazing flavor of the egg fried coming. And then you make a nice filling with ideally like a jalfrezi. Normally people do with chicken tikka. You can make it with normal chicken. So follow this recipe. So fill it inside, roll it, and then give it to your young ones. So this is a unique recipe. I love it. Try it, enjoy, and give your feedback. Thank you.
So oil to cook. Onion. Ginger garlic paste. Peppers and tomato, and here I'm adding some chicken strips. Chicken is cut into strips. Sound it. Chopped green chilli. 1 spoon of onion tomato masala. More chili powder. Turmeric powder, Garam masala, touch of seasoning powder, chaat masala. You can add lemon juice in the end. Mix everything together. If you have some Makhani gravy on handy, you can add that. Otherwise, this is good enough. Check the seasoning. A touch of lemon juice you can add, and then finish it off with chopped coriander. When you make it for home and for the kids, you can add a touch of ketchup. That binds this together and give a sweet and tangy taste to it. We're going to cook the chapati again with egg, beaten egg. Touch of salt, bit of crushed pepper, turmeric powder. You can add chopped coriander as well. Then beat it. So heat the pan to medium hot. Put the chapati. Put the egg, rest nicely. You can dip in the bowl also. Okay, and then sprinkle a bit of oil. Turn the sides. Now apply it here. Why we're doing the egg is the chapati will be kept moist and will be easy to roll. It doesn't go into crack, and obviously the taste of the egg also will come. Now turn the side. To make the Kathi roll, make sure you take, if it's slightly colored, use that side as inside, then place the chicken mix inside. heat the pan nicely. touch of oil, or if you have ghee, you can put that ghee as well. Allow it to get hot. And then start from the joint side where you put the egg. But if you need, you can put a touch more egg so it closes properly. And then put that side first. So once you form a nice light crust, nice color everywhere, we can plate it up. So take a Kathi roll that you want to plate, cut it in a slant. So first you do cut from here, so you cut into 3 pieces. You can see it's filled inside with pepper and chicken. Just wipe the knife so it doesn't give the color to the outside. Slightly move the knife, use a sharp knife, press it down so you can see nice juicy filling inside. To plate up, place the tadka mayo. Place the Kathi roll on top of the mayo. Place like this. Now garnish with some pickled ginger, some pickled onion. So to finishing, I'm just drizzling of chili oil.
So okay, thank you for cooking along with me. I believe you enjoyed the Kathi roll. Hope you tasted and your loved ones enjoyed it. It's good for kids. You can reduce the spice level for the kids if you're making it. Otherwise, it's good for an evening snack or tea time snack, or even a starter before your main meal. So subscribe to us, click the bell icon, share this recipe to your friends. So thank you for watching our other videos. Enjoy. Bye from Fine Dining India.